This time, it's my title defense mga guys. Kaya I need to fix myself para presentable. So this is our venue. So dito kami magpe-present ng aming title defense. Kami pa lang dito yung nauna. So we're in 4 at yung iba naman is nasa office. So tinitingnan ko dito guys kung paano ako magpe-present. Parang ninenervyos kasi ako guys. In a few minutes, nag-start na and we are all gathered around here. So, yung unang pinakilala is sila yung magpa-present. Then, after them, kami naman ng mga EDDs. And ayan, may nag-decide na kung sino yung mauuna sa kanilang tatlo. While ako naman is nag-o-observe kung paano sila mag-defend kasi nalimutan ko na yung process. Then, after ng first, yung second naman, yung nag-present ng kanyang 3 titles. Ayan, shout out kay Ma'am Joanne na nag-turn back. Then, after that, natapos rin yung kanilang pagdepensa ng kanilang titles and then merong photo opportunity. And after this opportunity, magla-lunch kami mga guys. So, ito naman yung sa amin pagkatapos ng aming title defense sa EDD. So, kasama namin dyan yung aming advisors at yung mga panels. And we're so glad na na-survive namin yung aming first defense. Then, kinaumagahan, meron akong activity and I really need to attend for this. Meron akong video demo and this is a reshoot. That's why it is very important na dapat nandito talaga yung aking presence. Kasi pag wala ako dito guys, still they are going to need my reshoot. So, after my reshoot, nanood muna ako dito ng mga fixed product na ng mga natapos na ng kanilang video demonstration. And na-notice ko talaga sa mga teachers na nagde-demo, they are so very magaling. Then afterwards, lumabas muna kami para i-edit yung aking video. We are hoping na ma-finish namin tong video ko so that others could also watch my fixed product. But unfortunately, next week na lang. Kasi meron pa kaming closing. And after our presentation of the video demonstrators, ayan, at nagpa-picture na kami for our remembrance and of course, treasuring moments. And that's all guys for my vlog.